was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little prison shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelles Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share, guys, a simple Christmas DIY project. I'm collaborating with some amazing people from around the world. I hope you enjoy. Joining me today is Claire's Crafty Corner, Mike from Mike Life, Mama Dares to DIY, Crafty Decor by Tony, Terrarium and Crafts, and my fellow Aussie Live It Like Lisa. So guys, today I'm sharing with you a really fun and easy DIY project for Christmas. I picked up this beautiful Glam vase probably about a year ago from TK Maxx Australia. Now I've styled it in many ways, but I wanted to create a beautiful floral table centerpiece. I simply started by taking some floral foam and placing it into the center. I'm really adoring these Kmart roses at the moment. They're just $5 a bunch, guys, and I use them on many a DIY. I started by removing the leaves from the stems and then cutting each rose to size. You're then going to take the roses and add them inside the floral foam. I wanted to create this DIY as something that I could use all year round, guys. So I'm showing you how to create a beautiful floral table centerpiece, but I'm also going to add some Christmas decor which I can remove at any time. With Christmas just around the corner, guys, I can't believe how quickly it's coming around. Are you up to date with your Christmas decor? How is your shopping going? I know that it can be a crazy time of year, guys, but please just take a deep breath and it'll all work out.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything.
You're going to continue to add the roses until you've got a beautiful fullness, guys. I used about 5 to 6 bunches here, but it'll depend on the size of your vase that you are using.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you.
I absolutely love collaborating with these amazing people from around the world. This is my second time collaborating with them, and Mike is joining us for the first time. So I'm going to leave a link to all their channels down below, guys. So please go over and check out their DIYs as well.
Singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
Now, once you've received your desired fullness, what I'm going to do here, guys, is just add a beautiful Christmas centerpiece to the center of the roses. Now, I picked up this beautiful cream and gold glitter bauble. It's lighted and it's from Ronnie's Home Depot here in Australia. And all I'm doing, guys, is placing it into the center. When it's not Christmas, I can pack that away and use this beautiful flower arrangement all year round.
Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again. To see you again.
Guys, I absolutely love how this came, and I love that I can get two uses out of this and have it out all year round. I love that I took just a simple vase and created something that is very glam for the style of my home.
I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chelles Glam Home. If you love simple and inexpensive ways to decorate your home glam, my channel just might be for you. I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and become part of the Chelles Glam Home family.
We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to head on over to all the amazing channels that I have listed down below and get some more Christmas DIY inspiration.
Stay with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful.
So thank you so much for all my amazing friends from around the world that I've collaborated with once again. I truly had so much fun.
I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Woo-hoo.
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Blessed that I can be